Women often have fantasies about intercourse with men that they may not feel comfortable expressing. Here are 5 common fantasies that women have when it comes to intercourse with men. Stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any information, and already subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell so you don't miss any videos. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will see 5 secret fantasies that women have and don't tell you. 1. Being dominated. Many women have fantasies of being dominated by their partner during the act. This can mean anything from submission and surrender to their partner's will, to enjoying the feeling of being completely in control. This can be a highly charged and intimate experience, allowing women to explore and fulfill their deepest desires. 2. Experiencing an unconventional scenario. Many women fantasize about having intercourse in an unconventional setting, such as a public place or an exotic location. This can be a highly uplifting experience and can help add a sense of spontaneity and adventure to the carnal encounter. 3. Being tied up. Some women fantasize about being tied up and restrained during the act. This can be a highly erotic experience and can help add a sense of power play and intensity to the encounter. Before you go to the next topic, leave a like. And there, did you? Then let's move on to the next. 4. Experiencing the rough act. Many women fantasize about experiencing rough sex, where they can feel the physical sensations and power of their partner. This can be a highly stimulating experience and can help make the act more exciting and sensual. 5. Trying new things. Many women have fantasies of trying new things in bed, such as trying different positions, exploring new fetishes, or even engaging in role-playing scenarios. This can be a great way to add some spice and variety to the act and make it more exciting. Understanding the fantasies that women have about acting with men can go a long way toward creating a more satisfying and enjoyable experience for both parties. Knowing what kinds of fantasies women have can help men better understand their partners and make them feel more comfortable expressing their desires. We have come to the end of another video. If you have already made some fantasy with your partner, comment here below. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. And if you really want to spice up your relationship, check out the first link in the comments. Leave your like and see you in the next video.